lifters are in, retaining plate is in. I think it's time for heads. Okay, heads are on, torque down, ARP bolts, normal stuff, normal head gaskets. I did opt for some trick flow push rods because of these heavy duty springs. I didn't want to take a chance that I would bend a factory push rod. So, I'm gonna go with these. Okay, I think I'm ready for the lower intake manifold. So I got my gaskets here. Head side. I'm really surprised at how bad some of these gaskets fit. Like, I ordered it for the Ford Explorer. Whatever. Got my nice lower intake manifold bolt kit that I'm going to be using. And also got these gaskets for there and there. So I'm gonna grab some RTV. We got major progress done. Heads on, intake manifold on, and those seals, I can see why people don't use them. I figured I'd give them a shot. If I have to pull them off later, oh well. But I did put some RTV on the top and bottom, mainly to keep it in place, but you can see that didn't really help. The back one, though, definitely doesn't look great. But again, I've got plenty of RTV in there as well. So if I have to pull it, I'll have to pull it. Our valve train's lubed up, ready to go. I'm getting excited. And the bottom is done. Oil pump, brand new. And new rear main seal, ready to go. So I got a set of LS injectors, and it's pretty short compared to the factory 5.0 injectors. So I went ahead and tried to fit them up like you saw. The only issue that I'm seeing is the fuel rail mount is slightly too short or too tall, however you want to look at it. So I'm just going to get a die grinder and open up these holes a little bit, and I can run LS fuel injectors with the factory 5.0 fuel rail. Oh, good. How about I put that in the vise? That ought to work. Yeah. That's annoying. See if that fits. Okay, not quite. Need to go up a bit more. Alright, it worked. So, they're not pretty, mainly because that die grinder kept on jumping around. I guess speed too fast or not enough pressure. It's just like, it's like it had a magnet just sucking it to the other end. I think it was jumping and then skipping along until it hit the other side. But the other two went a little bit more smooth. But yeah, that should bolt up. Hell yeah. This one's got cred in it too. But they bolt on. I call that a success.